right, we want to go to the second part of our StreamYard tutorial for Android network video. Here we'll be looking at all the features in your StreamYard environment. Let's go. Don't forget you use create a broadcast, new broadcast. For every broadcast, you have to choose a destination. So this is our own destination for this particular broadcast. I'm using this, so we need to give our broadcast a title. I'm going to title it StreamYard tutorial and a description, StreamYard tutorial for Android networks. Create broadcast. It's loading up and preparing to get us into the studio. Yes, we are in the studio. This is your mute control, your stop camera, and a display name. Let's enter the studio. This is the environment of StreamYard, and I would like us to follow closely so that we can understand how to use this platform effectively. The first thing we need to look out for is the title of our broadcast. For this session, ours is StreamYard tutorial. That's the title. That's where it comes. The title you give your broadcast when you were setting up initially, it comes there. The second one is screen display. This is where the invited guest and host, and if you're sharing your screen, this is where you find everything. And the third thing I need us to know where to find is here. Underneath here, this is where you can see your invited guests. Invited guests here, then you bring them on board, find them there. That's where you add them to your screen display. The fourth thing is mute. This control helps you to mute yourself, to mute your audio when you are not presenting, just to avoid unwanted noise. The next control here is stop cam, to stop your camera if there is any need for that. The next one here is settings. Settings here, you use this to set your cameras and audio, and if you are using a virtual background, maybe a plain color background, that you want a kind of want to change it to a design background, that's when you use this and your guests. Next control is screen sharing. With this control, you can share slides. If you have your slide on Google Slide or on your computer, you use this, your computer. And if you're sharing a particular screen on your computer, you use this. Request share screen. What are you sharing? Is it from your Windows or from your tab, from your browser tab, or you're sharing the entire screen? And once you can see what you want to share, then you click on share. It comes up. So let me use this for the purpose of this training. When you share your screen, it comes here. Then you can see all your invited guests and hosts. You can see them to the left hand side of your screen display, and to the right hand side you will see your shared screen here. And you can do some tweaking as regards how you want it to be shown here, like this. You see the host comes here, and every other thing. You want a larger, if you want a larger view, you can use this, or use this, or you can even make both take the same percentage, depending on how you want it. That's what this control is meant for. Moving forward, the next thing we need to understand on this platform is invite. This is what we use to invite our guests into the broadcast studio, either sending them a link or sending them a mail. We use this. Just copy this on your clipboard and go anywhere to send it to your guests. This control is to leave studio. If you want to leave the studio, want to leave the broadcast, you use this control. Once you click on it, it gets you out, just as you can see now. Now I want to enter the studio back. It's going to load up and get me into the studio again. In and in. I brought myself here. Then the next thing we need to look out for is having issues. Take for instance, while using your StreamYard, or while doing a broadcast, you have an issue, or you don't understand some things, or you're stuck. You can quickly talk to the customer care of StreamYard. They are there 24 hours around the clock. They would attend to you immediately. The next thing I want to talk about is private chat. Private chat, here you can connect with your guests, try to maybe give them information, pass a message across to them. That's what this is meant for. You type it in here and it goes directly to your guests. Okay, let's look at branding. Under the brand view, this is where you manipulate your colors, logo, background, and the rest. So let's quickly look at it. For the color, you can see the name is Joseph Akela and it's on a blue overlay. To change that color, you click on this color here and click on the color you would like to change it to. Let's use green. Fine. That's it. We've changed the color scheme with that brand color. Come down a little to theme. On the theme, you can see it has different orientation depending on the kind of lower third you would like to have for your display. So let's try out bubble. This is how it shows bubble for classic, then for minimal, and for block. So we just look out for the one of your choice and you choose. Our logo, your logo. I don't think you want to keep the StreamYard logo forever. So that's what we call branding. So for your logo, to upload your logo, you use this upload. Already you can see that our logo Andrew network is there. But if you want to add your own logo, you use upload logo. You click on this. It requests for where your logo is on your computer. You search for it and you add it to it. As soon as you see it, click on it, open, and it comes up. This is overlay, depending on what you want there. If you click show, it comes up. You can see this. Fine, that's it, but you can customize it. What do you want to show there? A video clip. You can do a lot of things with this. With this, you can use it to import a video, and you can also do a countdown. Take for instance, before your broadcast. It gives you a 30-second countdown before your broadcast. Counts, and depending on how you just want to spice up your broadcast. So I'm taking that off. Then this is a background. What are these for? Let's check it out together. Take for instance, I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing my screen and I've brought this. Look at this background, the background I'm changing to. That's when it's not effective and you enjoy and you see it more. But most of the time you may choose to make it the banner for your broadcasts. And this is another background depending on your choice. And you can add other backgrounds by clicking this. You want to upload, you use this if you're using the banner kind of a design for your broadcast, and if you're using something different from pre-designed or pre-uploaded designs or backgrounds from StreamYard, you can see that it has changed. So that's that on background. I'm removing it and moving forward. Okay, this is music. Take for instance, you needed a music on the background while the broadcast is on, just something soft. You can reduce the volume so that it doesn't get louder than the speaker. So that's that. Let's move on to banner. Banner. Yes, banner. Here, I need us to understand this very well. It looks the same. I'd already come here to type in something here. Look at. Let me show it so you can see. Show. On this banner, we have a different display. We have different display. This is showing ticker, and this is not showing ticker. So let's look at this first one that is not showing ticker. Show. What is this banner for? This banner is meant for talking points. You use it to describe a talking point for your show, or a kind of a CTA, call to action. You see it comes up there. You can edit it. You can edit it, you hide it, and you can edit it. Click on this, edit. For this, I'm using StreamYard tutorial for Android networks. Make it StreamYard. As soon as you're done, you use save. And when you do show, when you click on show, it comes up there. Then the ticker. The ticker is a crawling display. It comes up at the bottom of the screen. You can use that to pass information across to your viewer, depending on the kind of information, urgent, any kind of information, you know what you want to put there at that time. Just come in here, initially first add it, hide it, first hide it, edit, and type in your information here. It could be a long sentence, it could be a paragraph. Put it there just to pass out information so that they can, okay, follow through. So that's the ticker. You see, if you want it to scroll at the bottom, you use this particular checkbox to do that. So save. Lastly, under banner, I need us to know this, so see this. Lastly, under banner, we use this. I need us to know that we can create more banners. We can create more banners. Give it a name. The training session. Training session. Add banner. Then let's show it. It automatically takes away the initial one there, and you can see. The next thing I need us to look out for is comment. This allows all the live viewers' comments to show up at the bottom of the screen during the live broadcast. This is how the comment comes up. It shows here. As soon as you want it to be displayed to your live audience, you click on show. It comes up. It shows whatever you want to be shown to them, and take it off when you want to take it off. The next thing we need to look out for is go live. Yes, go live. Go live. Once you hit the go live button, it goes to the destination you have chosen, which is here. Also, I need us to know that we can edit. We can edit and add to the destination. I want to add more destination. You can see this is it. You can add one more again, depending on the various destinations you want to add to it. So that's that. And as soon as you're done and you're through, go live. All right, that's all on this StreamYard tutorial for Andrew Networks. My name is Joseph Akinola for Andrew Networks. Thank you. Bye-bye.